Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be about how to download Uber on Android in 2026. For that, the first thing that you'll have to do is ensure that you're either connected to a Wi-Fi or a mobile data network. If you're connected to a Wi-Fi network, a Wi-Fi symbol will appear on your status bar. If you're connected to a mobile data network, then a 4G or 5G icon will appear right next to your network status. The other thing that you must ensure is inside settings, in which you must ensure that your Android phone is at least Android 8.0 or higher. For that, head over to About Phone and then hit Software Information and check your Android version. This phone is running Android 16, so it's good to go. After that, you can head back over to your app drawer and search for Play Store in the search bar of your app drawer. Head over to the search of Play Store and then in the search bar simply type in Uber. Hit go or enter on your keyboard and then hit install right next to Uber. Before you try to download or install any apps from the Play Store, you must be logged into your Google account. If not, then you'll be prompted to log into your Google account, in which you'll have to enter your credentials and log in. After you've downloaded Uber, you can simply open it, log in, and start requesting rides. For any further questions, please feel free to leave a comment down below.